Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change layout in our Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To change screen layout, we need to go to Settings, then Display, and here we have Screen Layout and Zoom options. Right now we have multiview, so we have side-by-side screens right here. If we choose Standard View, as you can see, now we can use our phone like it had one screen only and not a double screen like it in our Fold 5. And let's go back, display, screen layout, zoom, multi-view, and it's back to normal. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.